Hello friends, I am Suhas Patni, a student of Viva IMS, and we are doing a project on multi-mobile charger. Now, before starting the project, what we have done is we wanted to find out the needs of the customers, that why a customer will need the multi-mobile charger. What happens is that many times when a customer goes to a mall or any other place, sometimes what happens is that his battery gets over or his mobile gets switched off. So at times like these, when he doesn't have his charger, what will he do? So here is the solution to it. Our multi-mobile charger, Insta charger, made by us, Group 2 from Viva IMS. Now the basic function of our multi-mobile charger is these charging points, these various charging points. This is a Samsung charging point, this is a Sony Ericsson charging point, this is a Nokia charging point. So we have kept various charging points to charge the mobile, and the customer can keep his mobile safely over here after plugging in the charging points. Now, other thing that the customer wants from the multi-mobile charger is security. So if he can move around in the mall for a few minutes, then that will be more better for him. Now, here we provided him with the security. Here he can keep his mobile securely, and his any mobile of any. These are some various pins that he can charge the mobile with, and close the box and go out in the mall or any other place for a few minutes. Now, these are some basic functions that the multi-mobile charger has. Now, these are some benefits that we have provided for the customer. Now, here is a coin box. What happens at many times, a customer is there and his mobile is switched off. Now, he can't call his near and dear ones, but we provided a coin box from where he can call his near and dear ones. Now, there are some other functions for people who will be installing it, for the businessmen who will be installing it in the malls. Now, here we will be having a display screen where they will be displaying the ads of their product. This display screen will be continuously showing the ads of their product. So whenever the customer is standing over here, the customer will be going through the ad on the screen. Also, we kept a compartment, two compartments for the pamphlets. Here is one compartment and the other compartment is on the other side. Now these compartments will have pamphlets of various products. So the customer can go through the products. Now here is a pamphlet of a digital camera. And this is a multi-mobile charger which provides you the customer with various facilities. Thank you.